Welcome to this comprehensive guide on how to correctly use the Wealthsimple app in Canada. Wealthsimple is a popular investment platform that allows Canadians to invest their money in a variety of assets with low fees and minimal effort. To get started with Wealthsimple, first download the app from the App Store or Google Play Store and create an account. You will be asked to provide some basic information such as your name, email address, and password. You will also need to answer a few questions about your investment goals and risk tolerance. Once you have created your account, you will be asked to fund it by linking your bank account or transferring money from another investment account. Wealthsimple offers a variety of investment products, including index funds, ETFs, and cryptocurrencies. You can choose to invest in a pre-built portfolio or create your own custom portfolio. One of the key features of Wealthsimple is its automated investment service, which will periodically rebalance your portfolio to ensure it remains aligned with your investment goals. You can also set up automatic deposits to transfer money from your bank account to your Wealthsimple account on a regular basis. To use the Wealthsimple app effectively, it is essential to understand the different types of investment accounts available. These include TFSA, RRSP, and non-registered accounts. Each type of account has its own rules and benefits, so it is crucial to choose the right one for your needs. Wealthsimple also offers a number of tools and features to help you track your investments and stay on top of your finances. These include a dashboard that shows your portfolio balance and performance, as well as a newsfeed that provides updates on market trends and economic news. In terms of fees, Wealthsimple charges a management fee of 0.4% to 0.5% per year, depending on the type of account you have. This is significantly lower than the fees charged by traditional investment firms. Wealthsimple also offers a number of promotions and bonuses for new customers, so be sure to check the website for the latest offers. To get the most out of Wealthsimple, it is essential to have a long-term perspective and to avoid making emotional decisions based on short-term market fluctuations. It is also important to diversify your portfolio by investing in a variety of assets, and to take advantage of tax-advantaged accounts such as TFSAs and RRSPs. Overall, Wealthsimple is a powerful tool for Canadians who want to take control of their investments and achieve their financial goals. By following these steps and using the app effectively, you can create a diversified portfolio and start building wealth over time.